Good morning, good evening, my beautiful class. Okay, do you know what is the most popular video game from PC? Don't worry, I will show you with some help, and I will explain you how it became my dream to want to work actually for that company. And I will explain you on the next slide. And I will show you a little bit of that company and the video games that the company offers to the customers like you and like me. Okay, this is Riot Games, and this is the place where the magic come true. Valorant was this is new one. Valorant launched the past year. Actually, you will like it, but I will explain you on the next slide. Don't worry. League of Legends, the first video games of Riot Games, the father. You will love it. And League of Legends Wild Rift, the new one, the new baby. They launched it on May, and it's for cell phone. You will love it. And you can play whatever you want. We know that when we play the video games, we are focused on the physical details of the character, like this one, and the powerful inspiration to keep paying attention, like the music. League of Legends always prove music helping you to play and be fierce, but at the same time, helping you to focus on the game. For example, I always put attention of the music of League of Legends because they always show the champions, but the new champions for the next seasons. It's like a little spoiler, but they don't show everything, just a little part. Another one is the song Phoenix because the past year they show the past championship they won a team, and the team have a logo like a phoenix, so they create the song Phoenix with the team. Another one is QDA is the first the first team of song they created about four girls, I know, and they always make it more, the song say it more, they create it more wonderful. They always using, I don't know, details, colorful neon to make it more wow. When I was 6 years old, I made my first video games. My first video game and is League of Legend of Zelda. Sorry, Legend of Zelda 464 was my first game. I love it. I fell in love with the story, the characters. Actually, this one is my favorite. It's my favorite. Then I keep playing like Mario, the Wii, the GameCube, the 3DS, the DSi, and I can give you a big list of video games. And I never play PS. After I met League of Legends in high school, and they caught my attention. And with the pass of the time I play, they caught more my attention because they improving with each patch. They put the creators of the game to make it more fascinating, and they have more players. They always put attention of the feedbacks of the customer and make it more wonderful. What make you play in the video game Valorant? Actually, Valorant is the combination of 3D, Fortnite, and Call of Duty. I know, crazy. But the difference is the characters they have different abilities, they make it more powerful. Someone are can create walls, other one they are assassins. Someone's kill you, they have powerful gas and they kill you and intoxicate you. And these are some example of the abilities of the champions. What caught your attention playing League of Legends? Okay, that's a big question, and I have less time, so I will give you a little introduction. Okay, League of Legends have different games to make it more interesting, and they change with the pass of the time. For example, the Summoner's Rift is the classic. 3 lines, 5 versus 5. Twisted Thrilling is there are three, and sometimes they put it the game, sometimes not. Adam, 1 line, 5 versus 5. Urf, it's your team choose only one character, and you need to fight with the enemy. And TFT, it's like chess, but you choose characters and you need to make it more stronger with the pass of the levels. And here I explain you the mid line, top line, bottom line, and the blue nexus and the red nexus. That's from the billions. There's a top, jungle, midnight, support. The work of the support is so hard because you need to heal all the team. What I want to work on Riot Games, I want to be part of them because they form part of my life. I always play the games. I'm watching the feedback. If they put attention on the feedbacks, what the champions, they redesign it. Sounds crazy, but I am always putting attention on the little details and how they create the songs, because some songs make me play more or play a game with them. Hi, Paimon. How make experience playing League of Legends? Awful. Okay, I was lying. They make you be more strategic and always make you feel better and I don't know, like have a connection with your characters. Like me. Morgana was my first and they have a rework wonderful. I love it. I feel I love it because she's so fierce. She always watch colors in the darkness. They have a lot of lines and I feel identified and I like her. And these are their powers. And I always make it so fierce and I love burn champions, the enemy. Okay, they give you health, they all pay time, retirement, donation match, and that's good because they are always I don't know how to say. They always the worker is first. The health, the time, everything. The player experience, strive together. These are the values of the company. Execute with challenge. They always want us make be hungry and want more. And that's what I like. The culture is strong leadership, the system and progress, and the education recognition. I know it's less time, but I hope you like it and want to play this video game. I hope this um, help you to be part of League of Legends, and I will wait for you. Have a good day.